So students, I think so you are ready with your computer copies. So we will write the first question. I think so everyone is seeing the questions I have typed for you. So the question is, what do you mean by slideshow? What do you mean by slideshow? Question mark. Answer. Slideshow is a series of slides displayed one by one on a screen. Slideshow is a series of slides, 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 displayed one by one on a screen. SCREEN, screen, full stop. Then you see next question. What are the different ways of creating a slideshow? What are the different ways of creating a slideshow? Question mark. Different ways of starting a slideshow. What are the different ways of starting a slideshow? Question mark. Answer. The different ways of starting a slideshow are given below. The different ways of starting a slideshow are given below. Give a hyphen. Then you write Roman number 1. Click the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar. Roman number 1. Click the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar. Then in the next line you write Roman number 2. Press F5. F must be in capital letter, okay? Press F5. Then you see in the next line, you will write in the next line, Roman number 3. Click the slideshow button. Click the slideshow button at the bottom of the PowerPoint window to begin a presentation from the current slide. Number 3, click the slideshow button at the bottom of the PowerPoint window to begin a presentation from the current slide. Written? Then in the next line you will write Roman number 4. Click the slideshow tab, full stop. Click the from beginning button in the start slideshow group. Roman number 4. Click the slideshow tab. Click the slideshow tab. Click after full stop we will write click the from beginning button in the start slideshow group. So here students, there are 4 ways of starting a slideshow. Clear? Then the next question. How can you run a slideshow? How can you run a slideshow? Question mark. Have you written the question? Then in the next line you write the answer. To run a slideshow, press F5 or click the slideshow icon at the bottom right corner or click the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar. Quick Q must be capital, okay? By mistake I have given in small letters. Quick Q capital, Access A capital, toolbar T capital. Quick Access toolbar must be in your capital letter. Quick Q capital, Access A capital, toolbar T capital. Or click the From Beginning button in the Start Slide Show group on the Slideshow tab. Again I am repeating. How can you run a slideshow? Question mark. Answer. To run a slideshow, press F5 or click the slideshow icon at the bottom right corner or click the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar or click the From Beginning button in the Start Slideshow group on the Slideshow tab. Clear? So students, how many questions I have given you? I have given you 3 questions. What do you mean by a slideshow? Number 2 means the next one is what are the different ways of starting a slideshow? And the last one is your how can you run a slideshow? So by giving these 3 questions, I can say you that our chapter number 9 explanation as well as question answer is completed. Yes or no, students? So what you are going to do, you are going to learn these 3 answers. First you will write these 3 answers in your computer copy very nicely, neatly, clearly in your computer copies. Okay. And then you are going to learn these 3 answers as your homework. Clear? I think so. This one, what are the different ways of starting a slideshow? See here, I am explaining again this one, the different ways of starting a slideshow. Here, you can say there are 4 different ways of starting a slideshow. Firstly, you have to go to the Start button where you will get Beginning button option on the Quick Access toolbar. So, with the help of your mouse, you are going to click to the Beginning button. Then next you can from your keyboard, as I have said you in my live class, that in your keyboard you will get F1, F2, F3, F4 or F5. Okay, these all are function keys. So from all that you can press to F5 button. Clear? Then again, in number 3 you see, click the slideshow button at the bottom of the PowerPoint window to begin a presentation from the current slide. In there, in your presentation, you will get at the button, okay, here begin option will be there, play option will be there, pause option will be there. So directly from the menu, you can click it out. Then the 4th one you see, click the slideshow tab. There you will get a slideshow tab. Directly you can click it out. Click the From Beginning button in the Start Slideshow group. Clear, students? So these are the different ways of starting your slideshow. Clear? Then here it is given to you how can you run a slideshow. Okay. As I have said you in my live class that directly by pressing your F5 key from the keyboard, in your keyboard you will get F5 key. Directly if you press it out, you will find that your slides are displayed on the screen one by one. In whatever way you have set the time, according to your given time, the slides will be displayed one after another on the screen. Clear? Again I am explaining it. To run a slideshow, press F5 or click the slideshow icon at the bottom right corner or click the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar or click the From Beginning button in the Start Slideshow group on the Slideshow tab. This is quite similar with this particular answer. Different ways of starting a slideshow, yes or no? These 2 answers are quite similar, but the question is quite different. But for this answer, how can you run a slideshow? You can't write directly these 4 points. As I have given you, you have to write in this manner. Clear, students? No doubt. I think so no one has any sort of doubt regarding these 3 questions. So students, these three answers you are going to learn as your homework. First one is, what do you mean by slideshow? Second one, what are the different ways of starting a slideshow? And the last one, how can you run a slideshow? So in my next class, I will start with a new chapter. That will be your chapter number 10. I think so everyone is writing the question and answers in your copies, because your copies will be checked. In a due date, I will call you out to give your copies in the school. So everyone must write the notes. If I am getting any incomplete copy, it will be very bad for you. It is warning for everyone. So whatever notes are given to you, you must write it down in your classwork copies. In any particular day, I might call you to give your copies. Clear? So students, now I am concluding my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.